Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I am Katie and I'm going to be showing you how to create your account with Mango Languages. So Mango Languages is a language learning app that we offer through the public library here, and it is completely free with our link, and it's a great resource if you want to learn a new language, to talk to family, have conversations with the people around you, or just as a fun thing to do. So the way we start is by heading to the Burley Public Library website. And there are a couple ways to access Mango Languages. The first way is by just scrolling down on our homepage to the Other Resources tab and then clicking on Mango right here. That takes you to our sign-up page. You can see Burley Public Library. Another way to get to this page is through the Additional Resources tab up in the top menu. Scroll down, and in our online courses, you can see Mango is offered right here. So we'll head back to Mango Language, and today we are going to create an account. So we will sign up. I'm going to type in my information. Each of you is going to create a account by adding your email address, library card number, and password in these boxes below. You'll press sign up. It will take you to a data consent form. You can read through this. I have already read it. I'm going to press I agree, and that will create your account. It takes you directly to pick a language. There are lots of languages to choose from. We can see all of them here, tons. Don't worry about picking the exact one right now. You can always change what one you want later. I know, though, that I want to pick Spanish. You can also add multiple languages to your Mango account. So it takes you to this dashboard page with chapters that you can skip through if there's certain things that interest you, or if you just want to go from the beginning. There's also a vocabulary tab here with vocabulary lists, or if you prefer, you can create your own vocabulary lists right here. In the Explore tab, they have movies. At least for my language, they have movies that help you engage with the language and put into practice what you've been learning, as well as a Translate tab. The Mango language program is free to Burley Public Library users, and it's a great program. We're excited to have you use it. Let us know if you have any questions, and have fun learning.